Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the archive type and access. This matters because steps differ for a PSD versus an online archive. Once done, open Outlook. Go to File, then Open and Export. Make sure you know the archive file location or that your Exchange/Office 365 archive is enabled. If you use a PSD, click Open Outlook Data File and select the file. If it's an online archive, expand your mailbox folders so the archive appears in the folder list. Now you search inside the archive and narrow results quickly. First, select the archive mailbox or opened. PSD in the folder pane, then use the search box and pick the scope as archive. Once done, apply filters like from, subject, date range, or has attachment to reduce noise. For precision, press Ctrl+Shift+F to open Advanced Find, build compound conditions, and sort by relevance or date. Make sure indexing is up to date, otherwise search will miss items. Finish by restoring items into your active mailbox. Drag messages or folders from the archive to the target mailbox, or right-click and choose Move Other Folder. If you prefer, use File, Open and Export, Import/Export to import the PSD into your mailbox so folder permissions and rules persist. After moving, verify delivery and folder structure. If messages don't appear, make sure Outlook is fully indexed, and when necessary, run scan PSD.exe to repair the.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.